I served over 20 years in the United States Marine Corps, in combat and in garrison, as a communication electronics officer, as a recruiter, and as a judge advocate, an attorney in the Marines. As an attorney, I was a prosecutor, I served as a defense attorney, and I sat on the bench as a judge in courts martial. I have done hundreds of courts martial and about as many administrative boards. After retiring from the Marines and serving for some time as a federal prosecutor, I became a private attorney, and now I represent airmen, soldiers, sailors, Coast Guardsmen, and Marines in courts martial and boards around the world. In almost every proceeding you have in the military, you will have detailed or appointed counsel, and many of them are quite good. So why do they come to me? Because they want more experience, they want the dedication, and they want the teamwork. I have over 30 years working in military justice. Even before I was an attorney, I served as a legal officer. They want dedication. In the military justice system, not unlike the civilian criminal justice system, it often seems that the prosecutor and the judge, and even sometimes the appointed counsel, all work on the same team. I work just for you. My only interest is seeing the best result for you, and teamwork. When you bring me on board in your court martial, your board, I am the lead counsel, but we work with that military counsel. And teamwork produces better results. Teamwork with your attorneys, teamwork with experts, teamwork with everybody in the defense, so that we win the case for you. Remember, when you serve in the military, whether you're active duty, reserve, or guard, you have a right under Article 31B of the Uniform Code of Military Justice not to make any statements about accusations against you. That is an absolute right, and it should be invoked every time you're accused of any misconduct. Remember, if you're being interrogated or asked about possible misconduct on your part, the person asking questions does not have your best interest in heart. They have a different agenda. So remember, do not discuss accusations against you with anybody in the military or outside the military, anybody in uniform, or even family members or friends. The only one with whom you should discuss accusations against you is an attorney who is representing you. In criminal matters in the military, you will find sometimes that the military wants to see something from your person, from your vehicle, from your home, from your barracks. Remember that you have a right to privacy in the military, but you may be subject to a lawful order to a search of your person or your property. Never give consent to a search, never. But always obey all lawful orders or orders that appear to be lawful. If indeed a search is done under an order, leave it to your attorney to fight the search at a later proceeding. Never put yourself in a position of possibly disobeying a lawful order. The question always arises, what is legal representation going to cost? Because it is almost always an unanticipated cost. That's why we charge flat fees, so you have a known amount that you can budget and plan for, so you know that you have us through to a successful conclusion. Our military practice is worldwide. We have offices in San Diego and Vista, California, and I share offices in Phoenix, Arizona, as well as Tampa, Florida. Our central office is in Dallas, Texas, so we're always just 2 or 3 hours away from you. Military people that we represent are stationed all over the world, so we are and have to be available 24 hours a day, every day of the year. So if you need an attorney for a court-martial or administrative board, call us now.